Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you will be fine and healthy. Good day to all of you, and you are welcome to my computer class. I'm your computer teacher. My name is Miss Anis Gayoor. Today we are going to do the reading and explanation of chapter number 4, and the chapter name is storing data. First of all, maintain the index with today's date, that is 7th September 2021, and the topic is reading and explanation of chapter 4, storing data. First of all, open page 27 of your book and we'll read this page. Okay, the heading on the top is storing data. Let us start reading. Computers have memory. When we enter data, it is temporarily stored in the computer's main memory. Computers have two kinds of memory, RAM and ROM. RAM or random access memory is available for the operating system and programs when the computer is running. Data in RAM is temporary. Once we turn off the computer, the data is deleted. The next one is ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. ROM contains instruction for booting of the computer. Data in ROM is permanent and is not erased when we shut down the computer or turn off the computer. So the computers have two memories. One is permanent, the other one is temporary. And RAM is a temporary memory. We can also call it volatile memory because once we turn off the computer, the data will be erased. And ROM is a permanent or non-volatile memory because data in ROM is permanent and it is not erased when we shut down the computer. So next, open page number 29 of your book. Next, we will learn about the storage devices of the computer. So what is the meaning of the storage? Storage means the action or the method of storing something from the future for the future use. So computers store data in different ways. There are two ways. One is primary storage and the other one is secondary storage. Primary storage is the internal memory of the computer. It includes the main memory or RAM. Every program we execute and every file we access is copied from a storage device to the main memory. The size of the main memory determines how many programs can run at a time and how much data is available. Okay. The second one is secondary storage. It is external memory where we can store data for future use. Secondary storage devices have a much larger storage capacity than primary storage devices. Hard drives, CDs, DVDs, Blu-ray disc, and USB flash drives. These are all the examples of the secondary storage devices. Okay, so the main difference between these two storage devices is that the primary storage devices, in primary storage devices, the data is directly accessed by a processor, whereas in secondary storage, data cannot be accessed directly by the processor. So primary storage as primary memory is also a permanent and temporary memory, but the secondary memory or storage is always a permanent memory. So primary is storage is the internal memory of the computer, and the secondary storage is the external memory of the computer. And the examples of the secondary storage devices are USB, flash drives, DVDs, CDs, Blu-ray disc, and hard drives, whose pictures are also sharing on the screen. So at the end of this page, we also have true and false statement. We are also going to do this. The first one is RAM is available only when the computer is running. So that is true statement. When we turn off the computer, RAM is not a permanent memory. Okay. Okay, the other statement is Blu-ray discs are primary storage devices. It's a false statement. The third one is instruction for booting up the computers are stored in the RAM. It's a false statement. The fourth one is DVDs are external memory devices. Yes, it's a true statement. The fifth one is main memory is part of primary storage. It's again the true statement. Okay, we also have fill in the blanks in page number 28. It's also about ROM and RAM. The first one is the computer doesn't forget what is stored in the ROM because ROM is a permanent memory. The second one is RAM stand for, yes, RAM stand for R for random, S for access, and M for memory. Okay, the third one is temporary data is stored in the RAM, because RAM is a temporary memory. The fourth one is dash dash memory help to store up the computer. It's a read only memory. It's help to store up the computer. The fifth one is all the data in dash is lost forever when the computer is switched off. It's a RAM because RAM is a temporary memory. So when we switch off the computer, all the data in RAM is lost forever. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you so much. Try to complete these exercise in your book. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.